Hey guys, it's Thomas Fulton. In today's video, we'll be looking at dental clinic AI agent that can easily book appointments, also answer frequently asked questions, and register new clients if they haven't registered before. It's that easy. Let's look at the example right now and test it out. Hey there, it's Thomas.
Hello, this is Danny's Dental. How can I help you today?
Hi, my teeth hurt so much. I would like to register as a new client to your clinic if possible.
Sure, Thomas. Could you please say your name again just to confirm?
Of course, it's Tomasfoltyn.
Thanks, Thomas. Could you also provide your email address so we can complete your registration?
Sure, it's Foltyn at Kili-AI.com.
Got it, Thomas. Now, could you share your phone number so we can reach you if needed?
Yeah, it's +1 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Did you get it?
Thanks, Thomas. You've been successfully registered. Would you like to schedule a routine checkup?
Yep, as soon as possible. Tomorrow's morning.
All right, Thomas. Let me check the availability for tomorrow morning. Hang tight for a moment, please. Tomas, I have 2 time slots available for tomorrow morning, 9 a.m. and 10:30 a.m. Which one works better for you?
At 9. That sounds ideal.
Great, Tomas. So just to confirm, you'd like to book an appointment for tomorrow at 9 a.m. Does that work perfectly for you?
Yes, exactly, perfectly.
All right, just a sec. It's all set, Thomas. Your appointment is booked for tomorrow at 9 a.m. Let us know if you need anything else. If there's nothing else, Thomas, we look forward to seeing you tomorrow at 9 a.m. Have a great day.
Yeah, that's all. Thank you.
Have a great day, and we'll see you tomorrow.
Alright guys, so you get the idea how the AI agent works for this dental clinic, and let's jump right into it so you can build your AI agent as well. We'll be using a software called Retell AI, then a no-code platform NAN, and Google Calendar obviously with Google Sheets for new registered clients. Let's start with Retell AI. For creating the new agent, you obviously can build a new one, create a new one. For this use case, we'll jump right into our agent. So how it works in Retell, right? Here we have the beginning of the conversation. So here you just add the welcome note. Hello, this is Danny's Dental. How can I help you today? Right, as you heard from the example. And your task is to build the transitions right here so you can control where the conversation goes. We just add transitions right here where we want the agent go after the answer, after it receives the answer from client. So here we added user wants to book an appointment as we want it in the call. User is having a medical condition, experiences tooth pain, dental emergencies. So here in this section, the agent can actually handle the frequently asked questions. For the dental agent, it will be some tooth pain, dental emergencies. It obviously cannot help you as a doctor, but if there is some urgent tips that you want the client to receive, you just put it in the knowledge base and it can handle the answers. And also the last section, the last transition is that user wants to become a new client, as we showed you in the example. All right, and then you just follow the conversation where you want it to go, right? So if the client wants to book an appointment, you need to build a conversation right here by clicking on conversation note. So these blocks are called notes for building these agents, just so you know. And here you choose from either prompt or static sentence. I personally recommend you to use the prompt since it can handle the prompt and it knows what to do based on the system, so you don't get the static responses as you might have heard by calling to bank or some other institute. We put to ask to provider's username. If he already provided it, just ask if he could say it again. And right now we put the transition, the person provides his name. If he doesn't, it asks again. All right, from here we go to ask when is user's preferred date to visit. So he provides the date. All right, and we're getting to the first function, the first node function. So the first function for this dental agent is checking calendar availability. Here you add a new function right here. I won't be creating a new one since we already pre-built it right here. You just put the name of the function, check Google availability, description can be the same. And here is the crucial part, the webhook to your no-code platform NA10. All right, so we're getting to another platform here. It's the NA10. It's the same as the previous one. You just log in, you have a free trial, you start building your agent. So you know how it works and how it operates here. You can add a new node, AI agent, and here you just start with building, right here. So here you gotta choose the chat modal. So we'll be using OpenAI chat modal right here. You'll find this on the OpenAI platform documentation. You just put it here, right? You can name the organization ID, and this is basically it. So you just save it. We already have it connected. I won't be showing you our API key so you don't get into our account. You choose the modal. We have the GPT-4o mini right here, and we'll stick to this one. All right, back to Canvas. So we got the OpenAI connected. We can add the memory for the agent, but we won't be using this function today. And the crucial part, again, is the tool. So as you remember, we want to check the Google availability. So we click tool right here. We can just search for Google Calendar tool. So you just sign in with your Google account. I want to close it. Tool description set automatically. Resource. Here you need to choose the calendar since we need to check the availability. For the start date, you can just define it automatically by the modal right here. That's an awesome tool that's been added to NA10 recently, so you don't have to deal with any technical stuff. So it just takes it automatically right here. All right, we see there is some issue with the Google Calendar. So let me just open it and look. We actually didn't choose the calendar from our list from the Google. So for this use case, we'll be using the info Kili-Ai email. All right, guys. So we have some issue right here with the agent that we just tried to build. We forgot to put a prompt here. So I'll just copy the prompt from this agent right here. This one, user message, and put it so I can explain it to you. Right here. We just defined the current date here, so he knows what date it is, so he can actually check the availability. Here we just put the call transcript, and down below we have the prompt for the message right here. So based on the following conversation, I want you to extract the date from the appointment. Based on the preferred date, check the availability and provide 2 times that you will let him pick to book. Next Friday, Tuesday means next week, so he actually knows what date to offer to the client calling. That's actually ready, so we go back to Canvas. We have the agent prompted, we have the OpenAI connected, and we have the Google Calendar tool here as well. The last thing and also important thing is to connect the webhook, so we can actually communicate with the NA10 from Retell AI. So here you just click add a new node. It's webhook right here. So we just open the webhook. Here we'll be using the HTTP method post. We're leaving this as is right here, and we just copy this webhook URL, and we'll be pasting it in the function right here. Let me just find it right here. Check the availability. Here, right here, you just put the webhook URL so it communicates with N8N. Okay, guys, once we connected the webhook, we have the OpenAI and the Google Calendar connected. We need the N8N agent to send back the information to Retell AI. So we add a new node right here, respond to webhook. So you leave it as it is and you just connect it and here you just connect it to the agent build. Guys, I'll be deleting this example from the N8N scenario since we actually have it pre-built. Okay guys, so we have the first function ready. From here, the agent responds with the date that is available, and if the client asks for another date and it's obviously booked, it says that it's not available. From here, we just tell the user the 2 times that he can choose from and let him pick. The transitions would be the user provides the information or the user does not provide the information. When he does, we go to another conversation, which is just sum it up, make sure the person really wants to book at the time, at the date, and I think that gets us to another function, right? So when everything is ready, we just need to connect a new function, which is for booking the actual appointment for the client. All right, just a sec. This is the message that the agent tells to the client calling. And here is similar, guys. So we just add a new function. In this case, it's actually book calendar right here. We named it book Google Calendar, book the right date and time for the person. And the same scenario as the previous one. So we go back to N8N, we created the OpenAI model, we connected the Google Calendar. The only difference is that the Google Calendar actually creates the events in the calendar, obviously. So as you can see, we have it just the description for the modal to book it just for 30 minutes. Easy as it is, you leave it like that, and it works. It responds to the webhook, sends it back to Retell. So there is another message saying to the client calling that is actually booked, and it can just end the call. Okay guys, so this is the first route that the agent can go to. Important information here, guys. If the client isn't satisfied with the response of the agent, as you might have been in the past when calling somewhere, we have a global node. You create it as easily as the other nodes, just creating a new conversation, and here you just switch on the global node. This is basically just a node that the agent can jump to anywhere in the call if the client's not satisfied, for instance, and the agent will say that there is some transfer happening to, let's say, the manager or to the front desk or some other colleague that can handle the situation. And here, obviously, you transfer the call. We don't have it actually set here because we don't want the transfer call function to work with this dental agent. But when we build these scenarios for our real clients, we obviously add an actual call to the manager or someone who can handle the situation better than the agent. Alright guys, so another road that the client might want to go to is actually becoming a new client, as you saw it in the example. So we ask for the user's phone number, and from here the agent goes to the actual registration of the client. We'll be obviously just putting the URL of the webhook here, sending the registration info to Google Sheet, that's the description. And when we look at the function in N8N, we just go to agent right here. We have the prompt. We have it prompted already with the OpenAI connection, with the webhooks, of course, as well. But the difference is in the Google Sheet right here. For this scenario, we actually pre-built a Google Sheet right here. We just named it dental clients. We put 3 columns, name, email, and the phone number, which we're getting from the client. And we just connect it easily in the N8N app. We choose the Google Sheet. You sign in the Google account, obviously. Here is the tool description. We just leave it as set automatically. Here is the resource. for the agent, here is the operation. We want to create a new row in the sheet, and here you connect the actual document. So just from the list, you find the list that you want it to connect it to, and that's actually all. Okay guys, so in prompt for this agent, it's actually all just defined here in the prompt as well, all the functions that we want the agent to work with. Yes, obviously, here's a transcript of the conversation based on the based on the transcript. Put a name, email, phone number into right column. When you defined it in a prompt, when connecting it to the Google Sheet, it's actually predefined with the NA10 modal, so you actually have the values ready here. It's defined automatically. We have the name, email, and phone number because we instructed the agent to find these columns and fill it in with the right information. One last thing, in the sheets you need to choose the list as well, because we may have many sheets right here. So we have the sheet right here. We can actually just rename it to the registration. So we connected the sheet as well. Okay guys, so we have the Google Calendar availability ready. We have the appointment setter ready, as well as registering new clients right here. So we can go back to Retell. So at the very end, it only says that he's been successfully registered, and it asks if he wants to schedule a routine checkup, and then it goes back to creating the new event, the booking an appointment, and this is basically it. Here you just tell the client that he's been successfully registered, and we want to ask him if he wants to schedule a routine checkup as soon as he is registered as a new client. So it goes back to a function that we built as well for creating a new appointment. Okay guys, I think we're actually covered all for this dental agent. Alright guys, this is it for today's video. I changed the seat because it got dark outside, so you can actually see me on the video. If you're a business owner and you would like some kind of this AI agent implemented in your business, definitely book a call with us. We can talk it through and find the right solution for you. If you like the video, please leave some comments down below. You can write us some feedback so we know what to work on in the next videos. And definitely stay tuned because we are planning new videos soon. I think that's all for today's video. Thanks for your time. I hope you got some value from the video, and we'll see you soon in the next one. Bye.